Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, especially to our lecturer of this course, Ms. Norazana. Today, we will talk about our assignment of research on the transportation preference among students in UITM Cawangan, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. First of all, we are going to introduce ourselves. This is Ayu Maisara, myself, Nurfati Nabila, Gail Michelle, and Evelyn. Transportation among students can take various forms including walking, biking, public transportation, or school-provided buses. Some students may also use ride-sharing services or rely on parents or guardians for transportation. The mode of transportation often depends on the distance between college, home, and university, as well as the availability of different transportation options in the area. Transportation for students is essential for ensuring so that they can attend classes, participate in extracurricular activities, and access educational resources.
Sampling techniques are crucial for collecting and analyzing data. There are two types of sampling technique, which is probability and non-probability sampling. Probability sampling ensures equal change for all population members to be selected, while non-probability sampling does not involve random selection. Our study focuses on transportation preferences among UITM students with a diverse sample from various faculties. We aim to capture a representative sample that reflects the demographic diversity of the student population. We collect data using Google Form with a male-female student ratio of 10:42, resulting in 10 male and 42 female participants. By using both sampling techniques, we enhance the validity and generalizability of our findings. The demographic diversity in our sample, including gender, age, and residential status, provides a comprehensive understanding of transportation preferences among UITM students. This approach allows us to gain valuable insights for our study.
Next is the objective, which are firstly to obtain data of students' transportation in UITM. Secondly is to understand which transportation commonly used by students. Thirdly is to understand the reason why students have chosen the transportation. Fourthly is to analyze the different types of transportation used among UITM students. And lastly is to acknowledge the preferred choice of transportation among UITM students.
Next, I will talk about data collection method. The description of data stated that the population of our research are based on students at UITM Cawangan, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. But the sample that we took in are only 52 responses. The sampling techniques used are convenience sampling, and the data collection method are through online questionnaire. Moving to next, the description of variable. Gender, age, and college has qualitative types of variable, and each also has nominal level measurement. While the faculty as well are the qualitative types of variable and ordinal level measurement. The next variable are the transportation used to the class to go outside of UTM, which both has qualitative types of variable and each also has ordinal level measurement. Lastly, the reason of chosen transportation and the preferred choices of transportation also has the quantitative types of variable. The reason of the chosen transportation has a nominal level measurement, while the preferred choices of transportation has an ordinal level measurement.
For the gender, majority of the respondents answered the questionnaire as female with percentage of 80%, 42 people, and the rest are males with percentage of 19.2%, which is 10 people. Therefore, majority of the answers are based on female students.
So we move to the age. This question is referred to the respondent's age. From the result, it is stated that the highest percentage is 69.2%, which is there is 36 people that are aged from 18 to 20 years old. The rest of the respondents are in a range of 21 to 23 years old with a percentage of 30.8%, which is 16 people. There are no respondents with age of 24 to 26 above. We can see the bar chart and pie chart in this slide.
Next is the respondents' current residence. Most of the respondents are currently staying at Mabul College with a percentage of 42.3%, which equals to 22 people. Meanwhile, 11 respondents are non-resident, which have a percentage of 21.2%. There are also 10 respondents that are currently staying at Manukan College with a percentage of 19.2%. The lowest percentage is 17.3%, which equals to 9 respondents from Mantanani College.
Majority of the respondents are from Faculty of Plantation and Agrotechnology with a 40.4% and equals to 21 people. Meanwhile, while the minority of respondents are from the Faculty of Hotel and Tourism Management, which there are only 2 people resulting in 3.8%. Respondents from Faculty of Administration Science and Police Study and also from Faculty of Applied Science have the same percentage, which is 5.8%, which is 3 people. As for the rest, 9.6% of the respondents are from Faculty of Accountancy, resulting in 5 people. First of all, I'm going to talk about the transportation used by the student they used to go to the class. There are a total of 52 responses. Walking are 17.3%, 9 respondents. E-hailing are 30.8% with 16 respondents. Bus Sabaria, which has 30.8% with 16 respondents. Bus UITM with 7.7% with 4 respondents. Public transportation with 1.9% of respondents, which there's only 1. Self-driving 9.6%, which there is 9 respondents. And other options, couple with only 1 respondent, which is 1.9%. As you can see here, both pie chart and bar chart show that the highest peak of value are e-hailing and Bus Sabaria. The OGIF graph also shown the highest peak are at the hailing and Bus Sabaria. The mean are 7.4286, the median are 4, and the mode are 60.
Next, we move to the transportation to go outside UITM. This is focused on student transportation choices to go outside of UITMs, which the option included walking, e-hailing, Bus Sabaria, Bus UITM, public transportation, self-driving, or an alternative option specified by the student. Out of 52 responses, the breakdown of choices was as follows: walking 1.9%, which is 1 respondent; e-hailing 78.8%, 41 respondent; Bus Sabaria 0%; Bus UITM 1.9%, which is 1 respondent; public transportation 1.9%; self-driving 11.5%, which is 6 respondents; and other options, which is family health and couple combined, which is 3.8%. That answer is 2 respondents. The majority of respondents preferred e-hailing for their transportation needs, while options like Bus UITM, public transportation, and family health or couple were less popular choices among students for going outside of UITM.
The available of 52 response with the respondent middle choice. Affordable or cheap are 36.5%, which there are 19 respondents. For reachable or near with college, 17.3%, which there are 9 respondents. Facilitated 9.6%, which there are 5 respondents. Next time consuming 84.6%, which is there are 18 respondents. And other option, time flexibility 1.9, 100%, which is there are only 1. Reason of the student transportation. First is affordable. Frequency is 19. Cumulative frequency is 19. Percentage 36.5%. Reachable frequency 9. Cumulative frequency is 38. Percentage 17.3%. Facilitated frequency is 5. Cumulative frequency is 33. Percentage 9.6%. Less time consuming frequency is 18. Cumulative frequency is 51. And percentage is 34.6%. And time flexibility frequency is 1. Cumulative frequency is 52. Percentage 1.9%. And for median and mean is 19 plus 9 plus 5 plus 18 plus 1 divided by 5. Mean equal 10.4. And for median is the quantity n plus 1 divided by 2. And median is equal 3 and 5. Mood is equal 19.
Next is the most preferred choice of transportation by students in UITM. There are a total of 52 responses, with the respondents' choice of walking being 17.3%, which means only 9 respondents prefer walking. E-hailing has 32.7%, which equals to 17 respondents, and the bus Sabaria has 0%, meaning that the respondents do not prefer. However, bus UITM has 30.8%, equals to 16 respondents. The public transportation has 7.7%, which is 4 respondents, and self-driving has 5 respondents, that has a percentage of 9.6%. Other options are carpool, with a percentage of 1.9%, which is only 1 respondent that prefer it. Most respondents chose e-hailing as the most preferred transportation to go both to class and outside of UITM, while the second choice are bus UITM, while the most least choice preferred is carpool to go both to class and outside of UITM.
Lastly, the conclusion. Based on the questionnaire, most students use both e-hailing and bus Sabaria as their transportation to go to the class. Whenever going outside of UITM, most students use e-hailing as their transportation. The reason they have chosen this transportation are because it is affordable. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.